In a town called Tendralnagar lived a boy named Adityan, a 6th grade student and the son of a wealthy family. He was very intelligent and showed great interest in his studies. However, along with his intelligence, he also had a major flaw: pride. He always wanted to be surrounded by friends and wished that they would praise him. Every day before going to school, it was his habit to take money from his parents for expenses and carry plenty of snacks with him. He would give these snacks to some students and also spend his money buying toys and play items for others. In this way, two boys named Kumar and Shyam, who constantly praised him, became close to Adityan. However, they were not true friends to him. They stayed with him only to eat his snacks and enjoy the money he spent. Their companionship was not for Adityan's friendship, but for his wealth. In the same class, there was another student named Magilan. Magilan was a boy filled with good discipline, humility, and intelligence. He had no jealousy toward anyone and believed in progressing through his own efforts. Adityan and Magilan were always competitors in both academics and sports. Once, during the final round of a school running race, Adityan and Magilan were running in the lead. Accidentally, they collided with each other. As a result, Adityan fell down. Magilan continued running, won the race, and received praise from the teachers and those present. Taking advantage of this situation, Kumar and Shyam said, "Magilan deliberately pushed you down. His intention was to defeat you." Thus, they planted wrong thoughts about Magilan in Adityan's mind. Furthermore, they said, if you become friends with him, he will reduce your pride. "We are the ones who are your true friends," and stopped Adityan from forming a friendship with the good-natured Magilan. In reality, they feared that if Adityan became friends with Magilan, they would no longer be able to enjoy the snacks he brought and the money he spent. Because of their misleading words, Adityan developed unnecessary anger and jealousy toward Magilan. As a result, Adityan joined his bad friends and began mocking Magilan and creating unnecessary conflicts with him. However, Magilan did not take any of this to heart and continued to focus calmly on his studies. After a few months, Adityan's parents realized his wrong behavior and stopped giving him excessive snacks and money. Since Adityan no longer had snacks or money, the two bad friends who stayed with him slowly moved away from him. Only then did Adityan understand the truth. He realized that the people who had been close to him were not true friends. Seeing Adityan's loneliness, Magilan approached him and offered good advice in his studies and other activities. At that moment, Adityan understood the true meaning of friendship. He felt regretful, thinking about how pride and false friendships had led him down the wrong path. Through this incident, all the students in the class understood an important truth: friendship based on personal benefit is not true friendship. Jealousy and the words of bad friends can mislead even an intelligent person. One true friend with good character and honesty is worth more than 100 selfish friends. Choosing true friendship is the greatest strength in life. From that day onward, Adityan and Magilan became good friends and continued their education happily.